Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I want to go over how to add in and create image galleries. Alright, so if we come over here to our add element button, alright, and then we come here into gallery, we have a bunch of different galleries for you to choose from to start off with. Okay, you can go from regular galleries to hover galleries to justified. The difference between justified is you can add in as many images as you want, and it's just going to contour to the size of the box that you put them in. Okay, the image gallery works a little bit different. It's going to be the size that is justified here. Okay, and the hover is going to work a little differently. When you hover over, it's going to give you a slight effect on top. All right, so what we can do is let's go in and add an image gallery. All right, that's going to bring up our default here. Let's go ahead and select where we're going to place it. So I have an empty space right over here. Okay, so what we're going to do is simply right click on the image here. We're going to click on edit. That's going to bring up all of the options that we have. Okay, so we can adjust how many columns and rows that we're going to have, and we'll see those adjust for us here. So let's say I want to add in 3 columns and 3 rows here. I want to go down to 1. Okay, so now what we're going to do is adjust the horizontal margins. We can do so like this, or we can have them all together on whatever is best for you. Let's put this slight amount of space. Same thing with the vertical margins. You can also mess with those. All right, so I'm going to leave those alone. You can also start to round out the edges if you like. Okay, so for now, let's leave this how it is, and let's go into our images. This is going to show us all of the images that we have here on our gallery. So if I select any one of these, I can either add or delete them elsewhere. Okay, if I come here, I can edit the action that's on top of the image. So I can actually go here and put a title here. So image 1, for example, and then I can confirm that. And that is going to be what shows up here. So if I come over here and confirm, and I come out here to preview, all right, image 1 is going to show up over top. All right, now if I want to change out the images, I simply going to come back over here, going to edit, and then when I come back in the images, I'm going to delete the ones that I don't want. So let's say I don't want all of these here. And I'm just going to select them like so. All right, just 3 more. Okay. Now, once I select them and delete them here, I can add in more by clicking on this button. I can add in multiple by holding down Command if you're on a Mac, and I believe that is Shift if you're on a Windows computer. Now let's come over here. I'm going to add in these all at once. Okay, so these are going to be my 3 images. I'm going to confirm like so, and now I have my image gallery for me. If I want to make the box a little bit different, I can come over here and I can adjust the size of the box to whatever I want it to be. I can grab the corners and mess around with that here as well. All right, so there we have it. Now if we come back over here to preview, we can actually see our boxes at work. We have a nice little overlay on top of our boxes so that when we click on them, we can get a full view of the image and then also see the different images like so. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.